If utility company equipment is burning, allowing it to burn is the best course of action. Once damaged, it will be replaced, and no utility company wants responders to risk their lives to save a piece of equipment which won't be repaired. Attempting to extinguish a burning pole-mounted transformer from the ground or a ladder is usually futile and extremely dangerous. Remember that since electricity seeks a path to the ground, the hose stream may provide that path through your body. The utility company people will advise you on what to do when they arrive. They may very well direct you to let it burn, or wait until power is shut off before trying to suppress the fire. This doesn't mean there aren't actions which can be taken to provide a safer outcome. There are usually numerous exposures, such as trees and buildings, which need to be protected from fire. Also, securing the site includes keeping the public at a safe distance until the emergency is resolved. This is a pad-mounted transformer. Similar to the transformers on utility poles, high amounts of current move through this structure, and both contain oil for cooling, which can present an additional hazard if released. If there's a fire, don't use water or foam to suppress it. Use only dry chemical. Keep a minimum 30-foot circle of safety between you and any energized objects. And again, it's less expensive to replace damaged equipment than to repair it, so safety is the critical issue.
Much of the electrical distribution system, especially in urban areas, is underground. Any number of environmental changes can trigger fires in the vaults and passages housing electrical wires and equipment. How do you deal with these situations?
If you detect signs of fire but don't observe any equipment or work activity, most likely no one is in the underground vault or manhole. Don't make any attempt to investigate further, but report what you've seen to the utility company. When work is being done, as a rule, someone from the crew will be above ground. Instinct may tell you to rush down into the chamber, but don't. Because you have no idea of what may be energized, and because of poor visibility, make sure the utility company has been notified and wait for them to de-energize the area. Again, you should stay well clear of the opening, because underground gases and damaged cables are capable of exploding. Once power has been shut off, with full protective equipment and breathable air supplied and monitored, the chamber can be entered. All the rules for confined space entry must be followed, and extra caution has to be taken to avoid sparking, such as from flashlights being turned on or metal scraped, because of the possible presence of combustible gases. Let's take a quick review of some important points in this program section. What method of spray is safe in combating an electrical fire? Chemical foam, a fine water mist, dry chemical. Only dry chemical is recommended. Which of the following is inappropriate when an electric transformer is burning? A. Extinguish with chemical spray delivered from a ladder extension. B. Let the equipment continue to burn. C. Protect surrounding exposures from catching fire. The first action is dangerous and may be unnecessary. The recommended policy is to let equipment burn and contain the threat by protecting exposures.